my husband forcing me to be a traditional woman. So, I left the Christian faith as an adult because of sexual abuse in my church. The person who did it was the pastor, and no one did anything about it. And I've been married to my husband for 5 years. He really believes in his religion, but I don't share his beliefs and don't want to change my mind. Last night, during another talk about converting, I got angry. I told him if he wants me to consider converting, he should live by his religion's values. I said he should do his responsibilities and be less judgmental. I also made it clear that I respect his beliefs but won't convert unless I truly believe, which I don't because of the hypocrisy I've seen. My husband was very mad, saying I was disrespectful and undermining his faith. This morning, his pastor called me, saying I'm ungodly, and church members messaged me, calling me a bad wife.